Hello beautiful souls, Kim Crystal here and welcome to today's video. I knew this year was going to be very different for one major reason. It's Christmas season and my mum just told us we are going on a Christmas cruise. Now that is so exciting and I'm so happy because that means I don't have to cook, don't have to clean. Then I realized that means I don't have to put up Christmas decorations. So that means no Christmas tree, no Christmas lights, all that stuff because we are going to be in the middle of an ocean during Christmas. I'm so used to decorating every Christmas that I feel a little bit lost. So I thought we would turn my bedroom into a winter Christmas wonderland. Yeah, let's go full out. So I'm gonna hang Christmas lights all over the top of my bed and I'm gonna have them dangling down. So this is gonna be a very extra Christmas room look, but I'm very happy about that because I also went into the roof and I found this box of Christmas decorations from last year. So I'm going to go through them and start hanging them all over the room and turning it into an awesome winter wonderland.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
So that just looks so cute. So this is for my cupboard doors. So I've just got these really adorable Christmas bells hanging on there. And every time I get dressed for this month, I'm gonna be like Christmas, so in red, Christmas themed, all the way for Christmas because I love Christmas. So I'm just gonna hang on more Christmas things onto the edges of the lights. Mira is sleeping on the bed. Nap time. Let's see if she's awake. Princess? Hi darling. Are you having a good nap? He's my good girl.
I can't say where I've been, where I'm going in the end, and I can't say where I'll be.
I'm gonna show you how my room looks after the Christmas Wonderland makeover. So I have this on my door, so it's got my dream catcher and then a wreath. So let's go inside. So this is how the inside looks so far. So I have all of the fairy lights at the top and then I have these Christmas things like hope and some Christmas balls hanging down. Got some tinsel up there, got some more fairy lights, and then on my selenite lamp, which switches on, so I've got the Christmas topper of the tree on the top of it, and that looks absolutely awesome. Such a unique way of doing a Christmas tree kind of thing. Then so I've got my wreath over there, and then I put some of my dream catchers on the wall with these beautiful fairy lights. I lit a candle so it smells nice and beautiful and it reminds me of like a really cozy vibe in here. This is just my desk where I work. I put this little reindeer here and I put a crystal in the middle of him just because I love crystals. And then I've just got a plant here which I put tinsel around and a Christmas star. Then I'm still working on my fireplace here. I need to make a mantle around it, but I just put the tinsel on it at the moment. And in this over here, I just have Christmas balls put in there just so it's a nice touch, but not over the top too much. Like, I do like the Christmas theme, but I don't like over the top. This is a bit over the top actually, just thinking about it now. But this is how it looks so far. I just can't wait to see how this will look at night because it's going to be so cozy and literally look like a winter palace. And then just on my other side table I just have some of my crystals. So I've got selenite, fluorite, more selenite, labradorite, fluorite, rose quartz, clear quartz, and a whole bunch of others. I will be making an announcement because we are opening a sister crystal shop, so you guys can purchase some of the rocks soon. and we're getting more shipped in from a wholesaler, which is awesome. If you guys want some crystals. And then this is just a drawing I drew many years ago. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe down below if you're new. Drop a comment down below on what you thought and what you're excited for Christmas. I cannot wait. I just absolutely love Christmas. Anyway, Merry Christmas guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. See you in the next video. Bye.